Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to rotate a artistic media tool when somebody's trying to make a pointed star like this. Well, if you look, this is a curve on one layer. This is a star with four sides. A lot of people don't realize you can make almost that exact same thing with the star tool. So just grab your star tool and go to four sides or six sides or eight sides and have your sharpness like almost to 100 and then just draw it. Now see, it's going to start off at 50, which is default, but if we type in 95, look what it did, and then we can left click on fill and right click on outline, and you can do that same thing. Now while that's still there, you can grab that star and make it see what it looks like we did here earlier. And that's even finer. And then you can, if you go, well, I want it a little bit thicker, you can make it a little bit thicker. So you can do a lot with the star tool. I mean, you can get it down to where it's really, really almost minutely sharp. Can't even hardly see it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.